What's going on, guys? This is Zell with MixStar Audio at MixStarAudio.com, where we encourage you to be your own star. And today is fashion show day. We have a lot of things going on. New stage, new event, new location, Dover, Delaware. Summer wrap-up fashion show, baby. Made it to the venue. Let's see what we got in the back, shall we? Got Jay on the job with us. What you say?
You want to check the safe out?
Nah, we're about to get right to it. Yes, sir. Lots of pieces. Lots of pieces. Hey, man. Appreciate you coming out with us again, bro.
Oh, yeah.
We getting that work in. No cap. No cap.
This space is tight, man.
It's lit, right? Brand new.
It's perfect.
What's going on, everybody? This is Zell with MixStar Audio at MixStarAudio.com. And first and foremost, shout out Siobhan Boyd, who is the owner and CEO of The Hive on Lockerman in Dover, Delaware. This venue and what she is doing with it is phenomenal. It's amazing. She wants to partner with events that are going on. She sold 7 of my tickets. Okay, you need to host your event with her. The audio stuff, we can start setting up right here and there. So if this can come off, we'll put this right in the middle for now. Put one speaker on one side, other speaker on the other side. How the layout's gonna go is like this. That's the dressing room area back there. There's gonna be a backdrop right in front of it. That's what those blocks are for. So those are gonna go down there. The stage is gonna come from down there to down here. And then we're gonna have lights on the side of it. We're also gonna have a lighting tree right here. The DJ is gonna be right here, and we're gonna be right behind him, controlling the, whatever, the everythings. You'll actually probably be right in front of him, catching some pictures of the models as they come down the runway. Cool. All right.
Blue bag.
Yeah, power, all power. That's power bag. 80 J's can stay up here. Yes, sir.
How you been?
Yikesly Genetics. We call him Jay.
I feel like I met
Genetics
you
is
before.
Yikesly. Yeah, you guys, I'm pretty sure have met already. We got the guy.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir. Got good lighting, too.
What's going on, world? It's your boy, Giz, a.k.a. Mr. Light It Up, a.k.a. DJ Hi King. You already know what's going on, man. We doing a lot right now. Today's the fashion show. It's going to be lit. Summer wrap-up. It's only right that we go out with a bang. This is officially dubbed MixStar Weekend. From now on, Labor Day weekend is MixStar Weekend. We're going to keep bringing this energy to you every year. So make sure y'all tune in, man. Get on the mailing list. Get on the website. Put your email in. You don't want to miss the opportunity to be present for these types of events right here. Because you're missing out on the vibe, a good time, something to do. What you doing with yourself? Stop playing. Come out. Show face. Show love, man. It's all a good time here. We can dealing with MixStar, MixStarAudio.com.
Commentated time-lapse time. You know what it is. So, at this point, we did a few miscalculations in our pre-production, and the stage was too high for the entire runway. Very huge bummer. I thought we were going to have to scrap the entire thing. As you guys can see, we brought the entire stage inside. So, we actually the team was not with that at all. They were like, we brought this whole thing, we brought it out the truck, we did all this work. No, we're gonna use it. So they came up with the bright idea to set up an 8x8 platform right at the end of the runway to sort of give the models a sort of figurine platform to do their poses, I hope I said that right. But that's where the camera and the lights were. Speaking of the lighting, we probably could have did a little bit better on the lighting. You guys will see that maybe in the actual video of the entire show. As you guys see from the title of the video, this is the behind the scenes and the setup of the show. So you're not going to get the entire show and how it went, but you are going to get a glimpse of it at the end. So definitely stick around. And if you like what you're seeing so far, if anything is helpful for you, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We'd love, and definitely interact with us. Comment on the video, and we'll definitely comment back. Tell us what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see. Now, at this point, what you guys are about to see is how my partner and I interact with each other on a daily basis. So you might have to listen in for it, but You'll see me get a bright idea, and then you'll see Giz's reaction.
Any of these top 2 squares are good for the camera. And this is the camera. No, you can use any of the top 2.
Okay.
Just make sure, if you're doing like a whole pose, do it back, it's better if you see it back. Line it. And then if you're doing like a circle, you can do it like that. But I would just say,
like just
first thing
sitting
I'm
up
looking at the back square. Yeah, right here. So I was looking at the back square just because you're not going to see the heels, you're not going to see the whole outfit.
That's not a bad idea, bro.
Right?
I kind of like that.
When we come up,
I kind of like that,
we
bro.
come all the way off the stage.
That's
I don't
tough.
think
And it
I'm
allows
gonna have
me to flip the
anybody
lights along it without
walk
worrying
in the
about
stage.
kicking
So like the
it.
next person that comes to push.
That's a great idea, bro. You deserve a high
But this is your, you pose for the audience.
I pose back here.
five.
So this is for the camera. Yeah.
Hey, yo.
That's us on a daily basis. The bright idea was to set up the stage railings outlining the runway. We ran into a few, concerns with space, but we got it figured out quickly. This was a great idea. Everybody loved it. The stage was a great idea. Everybody loved that as well. We lit it up like we came to do, like we always do. Shout out to Giz. He can't be here right now. He's actually in Canada on a trip, left the day after this show. Crazy. Now this is an honorable mention for Yikes Lee, our legendary cinematographer. If you don't know who Yikes Lee is, you should if you're in the industry or you're an artist. The next one is YL, which is Isaiah Lee. He is a local artist here. He's putting on shows. He's really doing a lot of things. And then there's Chef Rail. Chef Rail is one of our vendors that came out with us, and he actually sold out in the first quarter of the show. So I wanted to put these clips in here to show, the models are chilling, but we had to get out of their way so they could get to their rehearsal. At this point, Jay is in the back getting the backdrop together, getting it ready, while the models are all getting acquainted with the stage, the stairs, making sure everything is good. And I am making sure we are cleaned up of any mess. The show is about an hour from now at this point, I do believe. So, we're all set up and ready to go. Sound check is done. Now it's just time to make everything pretty. And there you go. Voila. So, of course, the lights weren't flashing the entire night. That's just for some stuff. But I wanted to keep this clip in there to sort of see how everybody was piling in. This is amazing to me. This was one of our proudest events. I was gone getting dressed. I left for 15, 20 minutes. No one was in here. And I come back to a packed house and a sold out show. And I couldn't thank everyone that had something to do with this show more. I hope you guys enjoy the show. Thank you everybody that has something to do with it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.